Hey everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. My name is Akib, and in this video I would like to share with you a special automation for a special month just knocking at our doors, that is Ramadan. So this Ramadan you can send wishes to all your customers and your clients on their WhatsApp automatically by using this automation. Yes guys, let me show you how. So here you just have to fill in the details in a spreadsheet of your clients, and as and when you schedule to send the wishes to your customers on any date, the data of your clients is going to be fetched from your spreadsheet, and the wishes of Ramadan is going to be delivered automatically on the WhatsApp of all your customers whose data you have filled here in the spreadsheet. Okay, so you need not to copy the contact details and manually compile a message for each and every customer of yours. This is going to happen automatically, and it will surely save a huge amount of your time and energy, and it will also improve your customer engagement and improve your profits as well. Okay, and to make this happen, we are using Pabbly Connect, which is an integration and automation tool. And guys, you can set up this automation in just few very easy steps, and you need not to have any coding skills or programming knowledge to set up this automation. So now let's set up this automation together. So guys, the first step to set up this automation is to log in into your Pabbly Connect account and reach the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Okay, so to reach here, you can use the link that we have pasted in the description for you, from where you can set up your free Pabbly Connect account in just 2 minutes, and it will give you 100 free automation tasks for every new month. Okay, so guys, one more thing I need to show you, that this is a spreadsheet I have created in Google Sheets application, and here you can fill in the details of your clients like this. You can fill in the names, the email address, and the WhatsApp numbers of your customers. Okay, now come back to your dashboard of Pabbly Connect, and here you have to create a workflow to set up this automation. So just click here on this create workflow button, and here you have to give a suitable name to this workflow. So I am filling in the name as send Ramadan wishes automatically. Alright, so after filling in the name, you have to click here on this create button, and you can see your workflow getting created like this. And on this page you will find these two things, the basic building blocks of this automation, that is the trigger and the action. So our automation work on these two things. So the trigger is the happening of that event which triggers this workflow or starts this workflow, and the action is the response towards the trigger. Okay, as in our use case, the trigger would be scheduling of the message delivery. Okay, so you have to schedule here on which date and time you want to send messages to all your clients in bulk. Okay, so from this trigger section, I'm going to use scheduler by Pabbly. Okay, select here scheduler, and now it is asking how often you want to run your workflow. So here I'm going to run this workflow only once on the date and time on which I want to send those wishes to all my clients. So here I'm selecting once. Okay, and here it is asking for the date and time. So you can put here the date on which you want to run this workflow. I am putting here 3rd of April 2022, and here you have to put the time at which you want to send those messages. So you have to put the time here in UTC format, which is the universally converted time format, which lags behind Indian Standard Time by 5 hours and 30 minutes. So I am working in Indian time zone, so I have to put the time accordingly. Let's say I want to send these messages at 9 a.m. in the morning, so I have to put here 3:30. Okay, so this is in UTC format, 9 a.m. in UTC format. Okay, now just click on save, and you have scheduled the workflow to run at this date and time. Okay, now the next step is to fetch the data of your clients from your spreadsheet. Okay, so to fetch this data, you have to connect your spreadsheet application, which is Google Sheets, here in the sections tab. So from this tab, search for Google Sheets and select it, and in the action event you have to select get rows option. Okay, then you have to click on connect, and from this window select add new connection, then click on connect with Google Sheets. Alright, So from here you have to select the Google account by which you are accessing that application. Select the account. Alright, then you have to provide some additional access. Just click on continue here and you will be connected with your spreadsheet like this. Okay, so we are now connected and now it is asking for the name of the spreadsheet. So you have to select your spreadsheet in which you have saved the data of your clients from this list. Okay, so in this list it will show you all the spreadsheets that you have created till now, and my spreadsheet is this. The name of the spreadsheet is client data. So you have to search here client data. This is it. Select this. Alright, and here you can see I have the name of the sheet here as contact information. So it got selected here automatically as I have already one sheet. Now it is asking for the range of data that you have in your spreadsheet. Okay, so I have the data here of my clients like this. So to find the range, you have to come to this second row and from this column A, start selecting the data of your clients like this. Select the rows and keep selecting it till the last row. And when you selected the whole data, in the name box you will find this code which is showing A2 colon C8. So this means we have the range of the data. That means we have the data in the spreadsheet from column A, second row, to column C, 8th row. Okay, so this is how you can find the range. Just copy this text from here and put the range here in this range field like this. Okay, so this is this code is for static kind of range. We have static data right now. We only want to send messages to the persons who have already added here. Okay, so you have to put the range here like this, A2 to C8, right? Now when you click here on save and send test request, it will fetch the details of all the persons you have in spreadsheet. Let me show you. So guys, you can see we have the data of our spreadsheet like this. It is showing the name of the first person. So this is the data of the first row, this is the data of the second row, third and fourth and fifth and all the rows. Okay, right, so we got the data here like this in this format. But guys, we need to run this workflow for each and every person that we have here one by one. So it doesn't run for every person altogether. This workflow will run row by row. For that to happen, you have to first toggle this simple response button to off like this, and then click on save and send test request again. Okay, so I've just shown you how the response will look like when you don't toggle this button to off. Now when you toggle this simple response button to off, then capture the data, it will show you the data in this array of data format like this. In this response result array, you have the data like this. Now I am going to segregate this data row by row with the help of a feature by Pabbly which is called iterator. So you have to click here on this plus icon, and now you have to select iterator feature by Pabbly. This is iterator, select it. And here you have to, it is asking to choose your array. So I am going to segregate this array of data in this response result label. So I'm going to map this label or select this label here. So when you click here, it will show you this previous step in the drop down, and from here only I'm going to map this response result array. Then click on save and send test request, and now you can see it started showing the data of first row only. So this iterator that we have used will make this workflow run for each and every row, for each and every person one by one till the last row of your spreadsheet. Okay, and now to send wishes to your clients on WhatsApp, you need to click here on this plus icon, and from this action step we are going to choose an application which is called 360 dialog. So search for 360 dialog and you will find this WhatsApp by 360 dialog. So now you guys are wondering why we are using another application for sending messages on WhatsApp. Guys, to send messages on WhatsApp, we need to have the access of WhatsApp's API. Okay, so 360 dialog is an application which have the official access of WhatsApp's API. So by using this application, we can send messages to all our clients in bulk directly and automatically. Okay, so now in the action event, you have to select template, send template message option. Select this. Okay, then click on connect here, and from this window select add new connection. Okay, now when you select add new connection, this means if you're making the connection with 360 dialog for the first time, here you have to fill these two things, the API key of 360 dialog application and the domain name. So to find these things, you need to reach the dashboard of 360 dialog first. So this is the dashboard of my 360 dialog account, and I am under WhatsApp accounts page, and here you can see this button showing generate API key. Okay, so by clicking on the generate API key button, you can generate a key for yourself. Then you have to copy that key and paste the key here in this API key field. And while generating the key, you will get the domain name as well, which will look like this link. So you have to copy that domain and paste it here. But guys, generating this API key is one-time task only. Once you got your key generated, you can use the same key for making connections n number of times with Pabbly Connect. Okay, right? So I have already got a key generated before. Okay, so I can use the same key, and guys, making this connection in Pabbly Connect by filling these two things is also a one-time task. After making the connection by this process, by filling the API key and the domain name, you need not to fill these things again and again. Once you made the connection by filling out these two things, next time you can use this existing connection option. Okay, as I have already made a connection with 360 dialog, now I am just selecting this existing connection, and now I just have to click on save, and you can see I'm going to be connected with 360 dialog very easily. Okay, so we are connected now. Okay, and here now it is asking to select the template by which you want to send the messages. Okay, so let me first tell you what templates are. So here I'm back again in 360 dialog, and here I'm going to click on this manage templates option, and here you can see on this page you can see we have all these templates created. Okay, so guys, a template, let me show you the template. So guys, this is a kind of template I have created, and templates are nothing but the predefined standard message structures which you can use to send messages in bulk to your clients, your customers, or to anyone. Okay, so before sending messages and to provide spamming, you need to create a message template here in 360 dialog and get it approved by Facebook or Meta, and after that you can use that template to send messages via Pabbly Connect or from anywhere. Okay, on WhatsApp, right? So the template I'm using for this purpose is this one. Let me show you. So guys, this is a message template I have created for sending Ramadan wishes. You can see the name of the template is this, Ramadan wish final, and this is the message, happy Ramadan. May this Ramadan fill your heart with peace, harmony, and joy, and I wish you to be protected and blessed by Almighty Allah. Okay, happy Ramadan. And this is how we are going to send messages to our customer. And here you can see I have this one in a double curly braces placed here. So this is a variable tag or a body field of a message template. So we need to place these variable tags or body fields in the message, because you can see after happy Ramadan, I'm going to address the person to whom I'm sending this wish. Okay, so this person's name is going to change with every new message. With every new client, the name of the client is going to change. Okay, so this is why you have to place this variable here, and to get this variable changed in every new message, we need to map the value of this field here in Pabbly Connect. So first of all, select the template that you are using. Okay, and after selecting the template, the namespace field and the language code you will see is going to be filled automatically. You need not to do anything, and then it will ask for the recipient's mobile number. That means the mobile number of WhatsApp number of the person to whom you are sending the message. So we got the details of our clients here in the in this step, in the second step, and we have segregated the data of clients by iterator. So from this iterator only, I'm going to map the WhatsApp number of the client. Okay, so just come here, click here on this field, and it will show you the previous steps. And from this third iterator step, map the WhatsApp number, and you need to map the number in this format with a plus sign and a country code. So we have the country code, but we do not have the plus sign. So let me put the plus sign here. Okay. Now it is asking for the body fields value. So here you need to map the value of the name of the person to whom you're sending the message. So to map the name, use iterator again and map the name. Okay. Right. So this is how you can map the things. Now I'm going to show you how the message will look like in WhatsApp, because I have the access of this WhatsApp numbers account. Okay, so this is a demo account I'm using just to show you the demo. Let me show you how it is going to look like. So this is the WhatsApp account, guys, and here I'm going to click on save and send test request, and a message will be appear here in front of you. Let me show you. I'm clicking on save and send test request, and let's see how the message will look like. And this is the response we have received, and the message is here, you can see, and the message is this. Okay, happy Ramadan, Nitin Maheshwari, and may this Ramadan fill your heart with peace, harmony, and joy. And you can see in the place of body field we got the name of the customer. Okay, so this is how it is going to work in real time, guys, and we are done setting up the automation. Let me show you a quick recap what we have done here. So first of all, I used scheduler feature by Pabbly to schedule the sending of these wishes at this date and time. After that, I connected Google Sheets application to fetch the data of my clients, and I have fetched the details by toggling this simple response button to off in this array of data format. After that, I use iterator to run this workflow row by row for each and every client of mine. Okay. After that, I connected 360 dialog to send the wishes on WhatsApp and map the data accordingly. So guys, you need to set up this automation only once. After that, as and when the date and time will arrive on which you want to run this workflow is going to run and send the wishes for you. Okay. And guys, the best part is you can use this same workflow that I've created, because I'm going to paste the link of this same workflow in the description, so that you can clone it in your own free Pabbly Connect account and start using this automation instantly. Guys, thank you so much for watching our video, and please let us know how our automation ideas are helping you in the comment section. And if you have any queries related to this application, please ask your queries from this forum link, and do check the pricing of this application from this link. And guys, we are open to ideas. If you want us that we should make videos on other aspects of your business, please do let us know in the comment section. And if you like our work, please subscribe to our channel.